Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers for the desert. And today shift was on Saturday, March 14th, and we accidentally slept past that 35-minute mark, just barely. Did a miscalculation, didn't have enough buffer between the alarm and when the clock was going to run out, and as a result, my dash ended. So I don't have a screenshot from the first shift, but I do have one from the second shift. So let's go take a look at the numbers. So we're going to go look at our earnings. And for the earnings, March 9th through the 15th, our first shift, we started at 5:45 in the morning, went till 6:13 p.m., did a total of 26 deliveries for 226.27. Then we immediately started right back up again 6:13. That was our end time from the first one. Went till 3:15 in the morning, did another 26 deliveries for another 238.35. That gave us a combined total of something that was already cashed out, so I can't even show you that. But we cashed out at 464.62 for Saturday. Now, this number here, it's a good number. And I had a little motivation, and that's through Hustle CLE and his Discord and his 10K March Madness that he's putting on right now. Currently, I'm in third position, and I'm happy with third. As a single apper out here against all these big boys doing catering jobs and having pre-booked stuff for $300 before the next day even shows up, and I'm sitting out here just grinding away on a single app. So I'm very happy with my numbers, proud of the standing as a single apper and not a cherry picker. And let's go take a look at our numbers. Speaking of cherry picking, and we'll go take a look at our ratings. Currently, our ratings are a 93 acceptance rate, 100% completion rate, on time 99. And I'm sure that something was late. Chick-fil-A. This was due to a problem that I had where I accidentally made a wrong turn. So we're going to do that. That's going to end that. Go back into ratings. And currently we're at 494 for customer rating, 1139 for 30-day, past 30 days, 49,229, and still counting. So we're looking around April 3rd to 5th or so that we'll be at 50,000. So with that, I'm going to get ready for my next started shift. I already started my shift. I paused it. I migrated over to the area. I forgot that I didn't do this video, so I'm just kind of parked right now. And now it's time to kick it into high gear. And I hope that you're doing the same thing. Today's Sunday. Some of you don't work. I understand. Some of you use it as a family day. I understand. Some of you are out here because you have to. Some of you are out here because you want to. Whatever your choice is, maximize whatever it is that you're doing. Do the best you possibly can. Make that experience count. And enjoy whatever it is that you're doing. Even if you have some bad stuff happen, look for the good. There's always something that you can get out of it. You may have learned what not to do, but there's always a learning experience. And so with that, I'm going to let you go because I've got to go make some money and try and catch Hustle CLE. Let's go for success.